Good morning, everyone. Waking up to lots of clouds across the area, especially here in central and northern parts of the state. To the south, it's a different type of cloud. It is fog that we're tracking, but you can already see the sun getting through that fog in southern parts of Kentucky. That area of the state is actually going to get warmer today because that fog will mix out here relatively quickly. See where the fog is? It's where the clouds had cleared out. Where we have the low clouds to the north, there may be a little lighter fog, but it's not reduced in visibility nearly as low. 3-mile visibility in London, 5 in Lexington. Visible satellite, just enough of the sun high enough in the sky that we're actually able to see the clouds on visible satellite. This is where the low clouds are. South of that is where we have some of the thicker fog, and that'll play a role in temperatures for this afternoon, how warm we'll get. Especially south and east, it'll get warmer. It's already milder there right now at 55 in Pikeville, 50 in London, and 52 in Williamsburg. That part of the state could make it back into the mid-60s this afternoon. Where the low clouds are here in central Kentucky, we're likely going to get some sun. It's just going to take time into the afternoon before that happens, and that likely yields low to mid-50s here. South, lower, maybe some mid-60s because it's already milder there right now, and then tonight we'll see those temperatures settle back down likely into the 30s and 40s. Today though, remember that big spread. South, more sun earlier, lower, maybe mid-60s. Central Kentucky, low to mid-50s with the morning clouds giving way to this afternoon sun. Still overall mild day because remember an average high should be around 42. Tonight, partly cloudy, chilly, winds are shifting and they'll be light out of the southeast. I think a lot of us are near 40, but areas farther to the north, I won't rule it out, some sheltered valleys could get some mid and upper 30s. Those look to be more isolated. The next big thing, we're focusing on our rain chance that comes in here on Friday. I think it'll be a little bit more than what's showing up here, especially though as we go into Friday night and into Saturday. That's when we could have our heaviest rain moving in. Then the front sweeps through the state. How quickly is that front going to sweep through will determine how warm will be by Saturday afternoon. I still anticipate the warmest day to be on Friday ahead of the heavier rain. What about any severe weather? It is a low chance. It's a conditional threat for us. There's going to be very strong winds above our heads, above the surface. Will those be able to get brought down to the surface and give us any damaging wind gusts? I think that would be very isolated. I still think the greatest energy is in Tennessee and points to the south, and some of that may creep up into western Kentucky. That's Friday into Friday night. We'll keep an eye on it. Definitely the bigger threat would be just wind in general and rain, and that lasts into Saturday with colder air coming in on Sunday. Highs only in the 30s, back to near 40, which is about average on Monday.